So check us out here at MGMClassicCars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful show quality 1955 real Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop. Beautiful exterior red paint job, guys. Nice chrome restored, nice sharp glass. Beautiful wheels on the car. Suspension feels great driving the Bel Air. You will be very impressed with the high-end quality of the build. They have over $100,000 into the restoration on this beautiful, beautiful Bel Air, guys, that we just got in, and we are very excited and happy to have this one in our possession. So I'm gonna talk a little bit more further about the Bel Air as far as the engine and trans and stuff like that. So if you like to go to car shows and cruise nights and show off a beautiful, beautiful Tri-5, guys, this is it. This is ready for the car shows. This is a frame-off restoration. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, lots and lots of high-dollar upgrades on the vehicle, pure quality on the vehicle. Under the hood, as I shown, this is a pure showstopper, guys. Just a beautiful, look at this, beautiful restoration. This Bel Air has a crate 350 engine, what we were told. I don't believe it was a crate engine. I believe it was just a rebuilt 350. So we're going to go with that, a rebuilt 350, not a crate, what we were told. But really no difference, honestly. Pure power, beautiful engine, all rebuilt. It's got the Holley 600 4-barrel carburetor. As you can see, they're a huge fan with the aluminum radiator, guys. Underneath is super nice. It's got a new exhaust system. But in the engine compartment, I forgot to mention, yes, it does have air conditioning, and yes, it blows cold, guys. Power disc brakes, as you guys can see there. New front disc pads as well. On the inside, we have all new, as you can see there, a new chrome steering column. Does have power steering. It has tilt wheel. It's got a modern radio, aftermarket wheels and tires, which are the Riddlers, and they look really nice on the car. Custom interior upholstery, guys. Beautiful, soft back, front. Headliners nice and tight. Everything restored. Beautiful carpet. I just put these black mats in. I hate to see this all new carpet get dirty. But door panels, everything just super nice. When they did the restoration, they did a new fuel tank, new fuel lines, new brake lines. Just everything on the car is top shelf, in my opinion, guys. Chrome, weatherstripping glass. Metal looks pretty straight on the car, guys. I put a magnet to it. I had all sticky stuff everywhere. I would love to take you guys for a test drive. The trunk is superb with the floor mat. Underneath the mat is super nice. I did take some pictures for you guys to check that out, okay? All right, we're gonna go for a test drive, guys. One of my favorite parts. We tuned it. It's perfect. Just turn the key. Starts right up. All the chrome door lips, weather stripping, like I said, even underneath the doors. We paid a lot of attention to the detail. Got your 55, your Try 5 car catalog as well. We are ready. So here's for your tilt wheel right there. Your lights, windshield wiper. You got your billets all set up here. Beautiful roller for the corner window if you're a smoker or you just want some free air conditioning. Everything works on the wiper. Horn. You got all your controllers here for your defrost and your air conditioning. And here's your modern radio with the Bluetooth connection. Left turn signal and the right turn signal. Sounds good, right? Here, let's listen to this 1 second. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So MGM Classic Cars, over 26 years in experience in buying and selling and explaining vehicles and building. This is our facility here to the left here with almost 40,000 square feet of classic cars, all indoor. We do have some outside. There's our little tow truck for picking up vehicles and delivering. We service all our vehicles. We inspect them, we go through them, and we do the best that we can. Can you see everything? Absolutely not. But majority of it, definitely yes. We have our service department to the left here, full-time mechanics on staff, and a full detail shop as well. Those are all the upcoming cars to my left. So as I demonstrated earlier, everything does function on the car. I'm thinking about doing is adding the new digital cluster for the car. I think that would be a great addition to this car. I think it's like icing on the cake, you know, cherry on top. So if you wanted that done, let me know and I can price it out for you guys. Otherwise, we're selling it, you know, with the original factory cluster. But I really feel that the digital one that looks vintage with the red light behind it, I think it would really top off the car, guys. This car's very smooth going down the road. Brakes feel good. Sounds good. doesn't pull left or right on the brake, just nice and straight. Suspension feels tight. That's really nice, especially on a bigger car like this. You get thumbs up wherever you go, guys. Really nice 55 hardtop. Not too many true hardtops out there anymore. There are a lot of two-post cars. Yeah, this thing moves out real nice. I'm surprised how smooth it is, and the brakes feel really good on the car. Yeah, really nice. We specialize in great classic car financing. We have a lot of good connections with our lenders, great relationships. So if your credit score is like a 640 to a 770, you will need about $8,000 down in good credit. Rates start at about 8%. We have long-term financing with no prepayment penalty. That keeps your payments super low, guys. You'd be surprised, honestly. So we can go over that with you if need be. Okay. If your score is 775 and higher, we have a no money down option, and rates start at about 6.99 if you have, that type of credit score. So a little bit better rates. Options for this car that I would possibly think of, because we have our own service department. We service the cars, and we can add on a lot of options for you guys. Really, the only option that I think here on this car, because it's loaded up, I would have to say a bigger speaker system. You have a nice radio, Bluetooth, but I think more speakers would really add to everything here. So if you need that, I can quote that out for you guys. I'd say about $500, nothing major. All right, we're gonna hit a little bit more of a main road here and get out of the residential. So we are located 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. Very easy to get to us. We welcome everyone to come see the cars. I want you guys to be aware that I am not fully responsible for the opinions that I give you on this vehicle. So therefore, I would love for you guys to come out and see it in person, and we can go for a test drive on a dry day. I don't want to really be accountable and held responsible for, you didn't tell me about this little thing and that little thing. And if you are that type of person, then please come out and see our cars for yourself, okay? And I'm not trying to be rude or anything like that. It's just, these are old cars. They're not 100% perfect. This thing drives really nice. Wow. So yeah, but if you're a gearhead, I'm sure you guys understand me. If you bought classic cars in the past and have owned them, I'm sure you understand me when I say that, okay? If you need delivery, please call or text me with your zip code. My number is 847-848 1850. And again, if you need anything for the car, please let me know. But this car is fully loaded already. The paint is in super nice condition. Underneath is very, very clean. All the bushings are nice. The frame, they're very nice. I think anybody who buys this car will be very, very happy with everything on this car, from the appearance to driving this thing. All right, we're gonna head back to MGM Classic Cars, guys. I'm gonna get the car up on the lift, take pictures of everything underneath there, and share all the information. So again, if you need financing, you know what to do. If you need delivery, please call or text. You know what to do. I want to thank you guys for watching MGM Classic Cars. We are most likely the biggest classic car dealership, owned classic car dealership, and we own our inventory. So buy with confidence. We put our money where our mouth is. Thanks for watching again, MGMClassicCars.com.